survivors of the nuclear fire called the war Judgment Day. They lived only to face a new nightmare, the war against the machines. Watching John with the machine, it was suddenly so clear. The Terminator would never stop. It would never leave him. And it would never hurt him, never shout at him or get drunk and hit him